A wealthy Cheshire town in the heart of a thriving farming community. Just off the high street is Oscar's, named after Irish writer Oscar Wilde.
It's been hard work. Like, I've put a lot of money into it, and I want it to work out now. I'm running out of excuses. Kathy, are you sorting out the bar for me? Thank you very much.
12 months ago, with the support of her family,
How much do you need to take a week to break even?
To break even, about 3,500.
And what you're taking?
On average at the minute is 2.
2,000. Relationships are frail and businesses down the pan. But how long can you continue surviving like this?
Oh, I'm at the end now. I can't carry on like this much longer. It's a nightmare. I am getting worried. My dream is just going down the chute.
Where's the butcher? Craig.
Maura's never run a restaurant before,
You got 2 minutes.
and upstairs establishments are the hardest to fill. So she's got to get her business head on.
Your windows. Yeah. They're fucking amazing. I've never seen such phenomenal space in all my life. You know that?
She's been ignoring a tailor-made marketing solution that's right on her doorstep.
Walking down here, Craig, you're totally oblivious there's any restaurant. Hey, Chinese next door, fine, but bloody hell. I want to know what's going up in there. Does any customers ever tell you that they don't know where the restaurant is?
Yeah, didn't know you were here.
I think you know what's coming. What I want to do is pull those beautiful big blinds down and just stick Oscar's. Classic Irish cooking, upstairs. Telephone number. And what a restaurant. When are you having a drink? After service? Before service? What are you doing?
Before, any time. Now, 99.9 after service. Possibly, sometimes don't even bother. I just go home and get in my bed. And I'll sit writing out bits of menus and just messing about at home, really.
Are you eating properly?
Oh, God, yeah, I'm eating. I can't stop eating at the minute.
Well, you're not exactly fucking fat, are you?
Well,
Dear,
I was.
Len, turn around, let me show a proper tummy.
Yeah.
That's what you call a fucking triplets and a big boy. He's fucking eating properly.
Hello, Gordon.
How are you, darling?
I'm all right, thank you.
Good to see you. How are you?
Not too bad.
Yes?
Yes.
How's business?
Well, my quiet Tuesday nights are coming on now.
Uh-huh.
Midweek. It's getting better.
More importantly, Lennon, is he up to the job of actually running it full time?
I'm iffy about it. I'm iffy.
Hey, destroying the place, and that's just on a fucking burger.